Welcome to episode 10 of making a Slime Rancher 1 mod. This episode we will be doing a brief coverage on using asset bundles and using custom assets in your mods. Now, I assume you've already followed some form of tutorial to make an asset bundle. I can go ahead and already open it up. For Slime Rancher, we use Unity 2019.4.11F1. This is the version of Unity we use. I'll go ahead and link a tutorial on making asset bundles here. I guess I can go ahead and pop into Unity and show you how it works. So I'll be using this as well. However, we can go ahead and close Unity because you don't use this. What I want to open up is fundamental slimes. So, quick one we can cover is for a zone, we didn't use a custom music track, but you can set one up. This is not the one I want to do. You can always set one up. If you're wondering how, it's pretty easy. Wait, did I set this up properly? Anyway, you get it from the asset bundle, you set it up here. This is item. Unknown queue is right here. And I forgot how I set this up, to be honest. Interesting. Anyway, more importantly, what you probably care about is custom models. So I believe custom models are all set up in here. This is called Forehead Letter Tool, and this is all the code for making one. I would have the game object, and I would have the name. And this is all of my code to set one up. Now, this is, of course, not the best. You can find people that have better tools for doing this than me. I'm not exactly known for doing custom models. Anyway, let's go ahead and look at one of our asset bundles. An example. You look at Fundamental Slimes. This is the one that has the custom models in it. You can see that this is just a basic model file. Nothing special. If you want to know, to set the asset bundle, you set it right here. You can create new ones and all that. To build it, of course, is you go to Assets, Build Asset Bundle, and you'll put that file in just like you would any other asset that we've shown so far. So if I go here, you'll see that we have Phenomenal Slime. There we go. Asset Bundle. So this is the embedded resource for their asset bundle. You would do it just like how you do any other. More commonly, this is really only useful for you to have custom materials, custom models, or something special. For images, you can use the method we have been using. But if you want to use this for this, remember for icons and sprites and stuff like that, you'll use sprite here. You'll have to set the texture type to sprite. However, if you are using this as an actual texture, let me go to this one. If you're using it as an actual texture, what you're going to be setting things to, for example, this one says normal map. All right. You can use just default for the most part for your textures. So if you want a texture instead of that, we also have an audio file here, which is also put in here. I don't know if I might have actually messed it up when I remade it, but let's see. If I go to the original, I should be able to find it. So let me set this up. Oh, I didn't even know this was a thing. Okay, yep. So set on properties. This is all of it. My setup for it. In preload, I also run this. I don't know where else I reference unknown queue. I forgot. I had something called a zone music patch. This was the actual zone music patch, which uses this clip from this. So you can see all the code that we have here. So there we go. So that should give you plenty of reference code if you want to do it yourself. This is a very short, just basic introduction to asset bundles. The functions related to asset bundles is pretty simple, as you saw in here. Well, one, you'll normally have a file called for this in your main file. This will get your asset bundle. Once you have your asset bundle, you're going to be using a function like this, where you'll go to the asset bundle, click do load asset, the type you want from your thing, and its name. So that's how you do asset bundles. It's pretty simple, not much complications here. For the most part, you'll normally prefer using the conversion method that we've been using so far, which is just to use this stuff and use converting to turn this into our images. However, asset bundles is another way of doing it, especially if you have custom stuff, specialty custom stuff other than just an icons and images that you need. You'll have to be using it. Anyway, that's really it. I just wanted to cover this real quick with you. This is just a brief overview of asset bundles. Um, so nothing really that special or interesting here. Just a quick overview on how you use asset bundles with Slime Rancher. So I hope you learned something. That's all. See ya.